GordonEveryDeuce, babe. Gordon every day, day 303. Hey, so, did you have a good time tonight?
Yeah, I had a pretty good time tonight.
So, you know, you want to, maybe do some stuff?
Maybe. Kind of worried about the screwdriver Simmi.
Ah, come on, you got nothing to worry about, babe. Come on.
He's going around killing everybody with a screwdriver.
Screwdriver Simmi, you forget about him, girl. I'm gonna make you feel all good inside. You just lay on back. You about to get finger blasted. It's gonna hurt a little, but it's gonna be good.
Not this time.
Come on, girl, just lay back. Come on.
No.
Come on, lay back, you fucking
No.
bitch.
No.
No, girl, you're gonna get finger blasted,
No.
girl.
Yeah. Oh my God! What? It's Simmi!
No.
Stop! Screwdriver!
Every day, babe. Alright, Gordon every day. Just filmed a little film with Butters and Simmi. Simmi playing the screwdriver Simmi killer. The screwdriver Simmi. Butters played the girl. Is what to see.
Nobody played a girl.
Butters played the girl.
Nobody played a girl. He knew I was a guy when he asked me out on a date. He's trying to look cool. Screwdriver Simmi, I knew it was you.
No. The Simmi killer. The Simmi killer. No. No. Go get pull it in. Okay, wait, but without me having the same pull out.
Yeah. No, yeah.
So I'll put it in my mouth, you man. Sorry. Fake blood, everything, babe. For you, happy Halloween. See you guys tomorrow, every day, man.
Happy Halloween.
Like, hey, alright. Hey, so, did you have a good time tonight?
Yeah, sure.
Hold on. Like, okay. Hey, did you have a good time tonight?
Yeah, of course.
No, don't answer. Don't answer. Like, yeah, I had a pretty good time tonight. Say that.
Yeah, I had a pretty good time tonight. I'm not a girl.
Do it right in his
Here,
mouth.
Right in his mouth.
like,
Fuck you.
kill, like, in the chest.
In the chest?
Yeah. Like, yeah. Oh, Jesus.